In today's wirelessly connected world, bandwidth is a scarce resource. Only a small slice of spectrum can cost billions of dollars. This scarcity of available resources has led to poor quality of service for the user during peak usage hours. How often have you reached for your phone to watch that funny video of a cat only to spend the next few moments buffering? Introducing Futurebits. Futurebits is a novel paradigm that actively learns user behavior and delivers media content while also making efficient use of the wireless spectrum. It taps into excess bandwidth available during the night when cellular traffic is low and also utilizes a strong signal in a Wi-Fi or femtocell zone. Meet Alice. She commutes to work on the subway every day. Alice likes to listen to music through Pandora on her smartphone. The only problem is, due to poor reception on the train, her music is constantly interrupted. But with a protocol such as Futurebits, her device works with Pandora to actively learn the most probable radio station she's likely to listen to. The system can then prefetch part of Pandora's stream and temporarily store it on her phone during the night, and since Alice isn't actively using the spectrum, more users can be accommodated during the day. Meet Bob. Like many others, Bob uses Facebook to stay connected to his social network. One of his top visited friends uploaded a new photo album and some YouTube videos. Bob would eventually visit his Facebook to go through the photos and videos. With Futurebits, these photos and videos can be sent to Bob before Bob actually requests them. This transfer can be done during a low traffic time period on the network or when Bob is at a location with good signal reception, such as a Wi-Fi hotspot or a femtocell zone. This allows Bob to have instant access to the content and also facilitate efficient use of the wireless spectrum. Futurebits can similarly benefit other applications like Netflix and YouTube that consume significant bandwidth. The cellular network today faces a challenging problem of increasing its capacity, but a quick snapshot of its usage would show that the network is only congested during a few select time periods. Futurebits tries to normalize network traffic throughout the day by optimizing across the user device layer, network layer, and application layer to actively predict and deliver user content. In a normal network scenario, the user requests go to the service provider who then forwards the request to the application server, such as Facebook. Facebook then sends the requested content to the service provider who then forwards it to the user's device. But during the night, most of the spectrum is not in use. With Futurebits, the application can predict future user requests and send the content to the service provider at night. The service provider then forwards the content to the user. Now during the day, there is less overall network traffic as the content of the predicted request has already been prefetched in the past. At the device level, the learning algorithm in Futurebits observes user behavior across location and time and can also work across different applications to predict requested content. On the application server side, apart from time and location of user requests, developers can use user statistics and advanced machine learning algorithms in recommendation systems. At the service provider, Futurebits can be used to optimize the network and physical layer. The service provider can monitor the state of the network traffic and the quality of the wireless link to the user. This information would allow the service provider to choose efficient scheduling and transmission schemes for the predicted data from the application. Today, only a small slice of spectrum can cost billions of dollars. Interestingly, a good fraction of the spectrum goes unused. Thus, Futurebits can help networks save dollars. Qualcomm is a leader in next-generation wireless technologies, and by embracing this paradigm, it can continue to catalyze change in an already growing industry. It can research and develop efficient protocols for optimizing spectrum usage that the service providers can use. It can also develop a software SDK for application developers to facilitate smart learning algorithms that can work alongside other SDKs such as Gimbal that prove context-aware information about the user. In a Futurebits ecosystem, everybody benefits. Application developers ensure quality of service for the user, and wireless service providers can use the spectrum efficiently to add more users. Futurebits. The future is now!